Hello guys, welcome to the Right Tech Zone. In this video we are going to show you the stormgain. What is the stormgain? Actually the site is Bitcoin and Ethereum and some cryptocurrency they are trading also, and we can just mining also the Bitcoin. Here you can see the create account. This you have to create account first of all. Okay, so I'm just going to select my email ID and continue as a miracle, and I just approved. Actually I have done before the account, so I have already account here. Just recently I just made, and I didn't deposit any money. Here you can see this my account balance, there's 0, so I didn't deposit any money. There is a trading platform, and if we are talking about the trading platform, first of all you have to deposit the money, and if you click the deposit money and here start, and you have to confirm your mobile number, and just you will receive one OTP. And this, I'm not going to deposit any money here. I'm just talking about the site. The site is fake or not, so I just go close this one. And so if you are going to trading in Bitcoin, you will get the leverage and 300 leverage, and you will get 500 also. It's a customizable, and if you want how much leverage you want, you can just choose. And obviously they will take the commission also, but you will not know how they are taking the commission, because if we are going to just put the candle and 1 minute candle, and here the actually the market's running the correct value, it's different, and the site giving us it's different. That means they are just taking the own commission from this site, and then only we are just getting the trading trigger. Okay, so that means almost every leverage sites, they are just taking the commission from like this only. From they are showing some different value from the real market, and the site they are giving some different value. Means the trading stock value, it's a different. So they will get the commission from there only, so they don't need any commission from your deposit and from withdraw. So the site they are saying there's zero commission, there are any hidden commission, but obviously they will take the commission from like this only. So, and here we are topic actually the Bitcoin mining. So here you can see the Bitcoin mining option section. So just click the one, and I told you already, because I have already made account over here, and this my Bitcoin running means Bitcoin mining, it's running on. So I didn't deposit any money. You saw that already my account is in balance. So, but actually they are just giving free mining options. Okay, and here you can see the active miner and get bonus. This is the mining bonus actually, and they are just telling the time also. I just calculate the timing, and I got almost 4 days. If you click 99 hours 24, yeah, here you can see this. We are just getting almost site about, and here you can see this only about. Just they are just complete only one page. That means it's in my case, I'm not feeling good. The site is giving us a full secure, I mean the full secure, because the site completely, maybe they are just giving money back, but in my case I'm not trust the site, because actually I'm not going to read any about, but Actually, if we look the about, we have to see the about some more pages, but only just they are just finish only one page, so that means they don't want to share the about the site more much, but they need money. That's a that's not it. And other things they are giving for us the communication contact. They are just giving Telegram. Okay, here you can see the Telegram. When you click the Telegram, they are just giving the support. Storm. Here you can see that's completely bot. There's not a group and there's not a channel also. It's completely a bot support. And when you click start, I don't know, I didn't start any message over here. So the first start, yes, first I have to select the language. I just choose English. And thank you for contacting me. Please send you promote all your questions. Please send your email. So completely I don't feel well about the site, because if the site is genuine, they have to give us the address and the phone number and the email ID contact. They are just giving us or just only the Telegram support. It's completely bot. So here we have to understand any people can make simply the Telegram bot account. So we cannot trust the site they are giving contact, but it's completely bot. So here also when I check the trust pilot this site, when I start trading and not trading, when I start depositing like this site before 3 years before, I just I have trapped lots of sites, because from there I just learn from where I can check if the site is genuine or not. So here you can see the trust pilot. I just search the Google the site name, and I just select the Trustpilot site. Here you can see the stormgain scam. The one customer they updated in April 27, 2020. They are telling the reason why they are scam. And here I just showing to you only the scam in this review. Here you can see there's lots of 5 reviews, 5-star reviews, and I had a great experience with stormgain, and I got a 15% trading bonus and commissions and really great fees and multiplayer. See, here's lots of good news in March 13, 2020. This is an old review I just chose from the page. Here you can see that we are totally 600 page we have. So I just choose the 600 page. This May 27, 2020, some more than 1 year or 2 years. So here you can see there's a lots of good reviews they are giving, but here also some bad review. So honestly I'm telling you, I don't trust unlike these sites, because the reason is we know the trading and we have to learn the trading. I thought I can't make trading by myself, and I want to give money some company. They will trade for us and they will mine for us. Completely that's not good. They will give you some options for depositing. Here you can see there's gold and diamonds and VIP plans. So they will give you some plans. When you deposit like this, they are giving the offer. Your money is going away, so you will not get back the money. So honestly, I don't want to deposit any money here. So because I lost lots of money, and better you have to trade yourself. You have to learn from trading from from online class. You can choose online class also. They are just giving online class. And see, if you learn by yourself, and you can make your own money. You don't want to you don't want to trust anyone. So honestly, I don't trust this site. The first reason, they are telling, if we will pay like this, we will be free and we can make the money more than more. So on the Bitcoin mining, if you want to mine by yourself, you can choose graphics card and some configuration PC or laptop. So you can make yourself Bitcoin. And so if you're making Bitcoin, if you're going to mining Bitcoin from online, you have to think about 100. So it's lots of fake online fake. So here you can see they are just giving me a standard mining option. So I'm not going to pay any money. So I'm just starting for you the YouTube video, nothing else. Actually, I don't trust the site honestly. So that's the reason I don't want to deposit any money here. And suppose if you are going to invest in other site, and how do you can check the site is fake or not? Okay, so first of all, what you have to do, you have to write the name your site on the Google. Stormgain, legit or scam. So I just put enter. Here you can see the review some other sites. Yeah, already he's saying stay away from stormgain. It's a refresh again. If you are very small client, they won't bother you, but most accounts some reason they have blocked my account. See, that's the reason. If you're going to put the money, they are showing to you some gold and diamond options. If you're going to deposit some money, they will block your account. That's true. In my life, I got lots of trouble from like this account. They will going to block your account, because this accounts and the sites, if someone know the programming, they can make by self site the payment options, and calculating for how much you earn, how much you got the hour, in 1 hour how much you earn, and how much you can earn in future. It's calculating, they can make it. And the program person, so the same time, the program person, the administrator, he can do your account is active, and he can your account to be deactive and for permanently. So everything is on his control. So what we can't do anything. If we are going to deposit the money it will be reached and it will be received in the site owner, means the site administrator account. So but the money, the reflect will show in the account, but that's just a digit. We can't do anything. If you are going to withdraw the money, but the money actually the administrator, they need to send us. But if you are going to deposit a huge money, he's never going to give us, he's never going to give back. So the first one, you can see the top. I told you, we are going to choose a standard and some small options, they will give us money. And then what we will think, if we will put some huge money, we will make more money. So That's the part, and there's the business trick for the administrator and the programmer. So honestly, please don't deposit any like these sites. Okay, so I hope guys you enjoy this video, and maybe it's helpful for you if you are people going to deposit for the latest sites. First of all, you have to check and you have to research the site is fake or not on the Google. And if you check the Google, you will get lots of reference from other people. They are maybe they are made some money. They are maybe they are lost the money from the sites. So first of all, you have to check the in Google and make it sure the site is it's not fake. So I hope guys you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching.